They've been anxiously waiting to win our hearts with this one. Trust in You is the name of their item. So here is...
The Hustle Marti High School.
That's right. A round of applause, please.
You did not create me to worry. You did not create me to fear. But you created me to worship daily. So I'ma leave it all right here. My hands are raised because I surrender. Your will is what's best for me. I worship You because You're Jehovah Jireh. I bow before the King of Kings. No more crying, no more complaining. I believe Your word is true. Lord, You promised never to leave me lonely, so this is what I'm going to do. I will trust in You, Lord. I will trust in You, Lord. I will put my trust in. You did not create me to worry. You did not create me to fear. But You created me to worship daily. So I'ma leave it all right here. I will trust in You, Lord. I will trust in You, Lord. I will put my trust in. You did not create me to worry. You did not create me to fear. I will put my trust in You.
Well, I must say, I am so delighted. That was such a beautiful performance. Harmonies, beautiful. I like the voicing that you used for the men when you actually went into harmony. I like, I'm always asking for contrast. You sing loud now, you take time and you go down sometimes when you're repeating. Expression on the faces, movements, everything good. Very, very good. I want to see what you do in the next round.
Jose Marti, it was BALANCED. What word is that? It was? It was? It was? It was?
Dennis is so weird. Anyway, Hustle Marti, I'm not going with things, man. That's nice. Very nice. Let me tell you what to work on. Okay, you see the times when the energy gets excited and it's the guys and the bass alone doing that thing, you have to be careful that it fits in, right? So just be careful with the balance and drum it, don't rush when those things happen. Right? Good? But sound good and I can't wait to hear more.
Hustle Marti wants you to trust in them and bring them back to compete in the top 10. All you have to do is call or text 444-8809.